This content will enable you to do a friend or someone a favor. Some friend or maybe you who must have loose funds online. It is frustrating when trying to log into your PayPal account and you are blocked. Most often when you need money for a business venture. I suffered this fate when funds were sent to my PayPal account with money inside. I applied to collect through my bank. My account was blocked. My funds all gone, and on trying to ask what happened, it was only a robot answering and talking nonsense. No funds, no explanation. Besides, in some countries doing business on PayPal is out of reach. On the internet now in 2020 there are many payment gateways that can be used for drop shipping, affiliates, and many others. In this lot, Payoneer is my #1 option. Some latest action by Payoneer partnership with Anna Banking enhances a secure avenue for international payments for small businesses and freelancers. Tell your friend not to worry. Check in the description below for more knowledge gearing to his success online. You have done a great job to assist someone in need.